Pour it in.
Yucky!
Back up. All right, let it go.
Life is good.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Welcome back to Good Times with the Goodmans, and today we're going to make snow. Alright, and all you need for this is
56 ounces of water and 2 ounces of sodium polyacrylate.
Fun fact, sodium polyacrylate is actually the same thing that absorbs the urine in diapers.
Diapers?
Yeah, we big girls now, so they don't take diapers no more. Alright, y'all guys ready to make snow?
Yay!
Alrighty, one for now, one for Orion, and we'll do one for Daddy and one for Mommy, okay?
Okay.
You ready? Pour it in now.
Okay.
Yay, pour it in.
Pour it in. Pour it in, Nala.
Pour it in.
Yucky!
Yay, we're gonna make snow.
Wow.
Give us a little whirl.
It's turning already.
Little whirl.
Sugar.
No, it's polyacrylate.
Polyacrylate. Stir it.
I had a little spoon out here.
Yeah, you gotta stir it around. Wow, looks like
wow.
snow.
We can actually use some more. Let's get some more water. Mommy's gonna get us some more water, okay?
Ooh, Scooby snack.
Get some more water. Alrighty, ooh, fill it. Amazing.
Yay, some more water.
Absorbent. Look like we actually could have probably put several more ounces of water in there.
Yes.
Per 2 ounces of sodium polyacrylate, which is pretty cool though. It's pretty cool, but that's how you make snow at home that you could put on the tree.
It's very good consistency.
Yeah,
Like a
snow.
yay. See?
Really
Snow.
easy to make.
Snow powder. See?
It's actually kind of cold to the touch too, which is kind of funny as well.
It's a fun texture too.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's fun.
Yes.
It's pretty cool to the touch. But that's how you make your fake snow, once again, with sodium polyacrylate and water. Really simple. You can find this in online as well. Pretty easy to make. Totally safe for the kids. We do not eat it. We do not eat this though, okay? Only for your hands. Fun fact as well, to turn this back into liquid form, you just use salt. The salt is the catalyst. And this pretty much melts everything back down to liquid form. Alrighty, we are back with science experiment number 2, and this time we're gonna make elephant toothpaste. Alrighty, so we're gonna create an exothermic reaction with our yeast that we have here, warm water, dish soap, and also we're gonna use shampoo as well too, and hydrogen peroxide. In these 2 bottles, we have 3% hydrogen peroxide. In this bottle, we have 12% hydrogen peroxide. It is a different color because it's the same peroxide that you bleach your hair with, 40 volume. Okay.
Also, we have these glasses on because just to protect our eyes from the experiment.
All right. Safety is always first, right? Safety first. All right. So first, we got the hydrogen already in there. We're gonna do the first hydrogen bottles first. All right, that's one here. This is that's regular soap, and also we're gonna use regular shampoo as well.
Okay, you can hold this
Okay,
one.
we have it in here, but shampoo is a little thick, so we're just gonna pour
This little
directly
one.
in
Pour
the
it in
bottle.
here.
Okay. All right, Orion. You have to pour it close right here, so the camera can see. All right, get a nice squeeze here. Now, Orion.
Okay. Squeeze it.
Squeeze. 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 Squeeze tightly. Ooh, see, it's nice and thick because it's thick. It's good for your hair. Say it's good for your hair. All right, that should be good enough. All right, let's go ahead and give that a little whiskle. A little whiskle. That's a nice little whiskle. Get a nice little whiskle. All right, that's the new word we're gonna use for 2020. Okay. That's too much whiskle that she did right there, but that's fine. All right. Now we're going to make the special potion. Give me the right there.
Right there. I can see that.
And we're going to add the water in.
Water? Where? Is it water? Here you go.
Yes, very carefully. Okay.
Wow.
For grown-up supervision.
Okay, be careful.
All right, you go ahead and add that water to that one, Miss
I'm
Rikita.
ready now. And then we're starting.
We're going to stir this nice and neat. Go ahead and get that a nice stir, Raya.
Okay, water for it, okay?
Get that a nice stir. There you go.
What? Look at that. Let's turn.
All right, get that a nice stir. Nala.
Stir. Nala, stir.
Oh, water stir it first. Okay? Now stir.
Stir. There you go.
Just stir.
Stir it like this. Like circle. Oh, she left-handed. Forget.
No smell, stinky. No smell experiment, okay?
Mix it, mix it, mix it.
FYI, if you ever smelling chemicals out there, you hold it about 12 inches away from your face, and you do like this to smell chemicals, okay? Never do like that. Always like this for safety, okay? You smell like this, okay? You never know what that chemical could be. Miss Rakita's over there making a mess more than the children. We should have let the children do this. Okay. Can I get the cylinder there, ma'am? Alrighty. You'll put that down. So we're going to see how this is going to work, okay?
Okay.
This is our first time doing this experiment.
Yes.
Water!
We're going to do... We're trying to pour both of them in there as fast as we can. We don't know what's going to happen. Well, we might know what's going to happen. But we're going to see, okay?
Okay.
Alright, we're going to do this one first, okay?
Okay.
Alright, here you go, Raya. We'll pour it in, okay?
Turn it this way.
Pour it in.
Back up, back up, back up.
Alright, let it go.
Wow!
Alright, you go pour this one in here.
Another one!
Nala,
Nala, pour.
pour that one in there.
Put your thing down. Hold it.
Alright.
You got it? Okay. Wow! Cool.
So what we look like, seemed like the shampoo had a little bit better of a reaction than
Yes.
than a regular dish soap, which is pretty cool. Once again, it's 3% hydrogen peroxide right there that you can find at any local store. Okay. Now in this bottle here,
This one, good one.
Whoa.
who's fluffy?
It's
It's
the-
very warm. No touch. Okay.
Okay.
Exothermic reaction.
Oh, we think it's lucky.
So in this bottle, we're gonna combine. We're gonna combine both the soap
And
the shampoo as well.
Okay.
We should get a better reaction out this one. We did put a little bit more. Let me get that yeast mixed up right there for me, please, ma'am. Please, no, thank you.
Okay, and ready now.
I'm gonna put a lot of soap in this guy here. See if we get a nice good spray. Alright.
Oh, Daddy, get puppy.
This one is a little bit more dangerous because it is 12% hydrogen peroxide. So hopefully we get a little bit of better reaction with this guy here.
It's bubbles.
Alrighty. Let me see, put the rest of that in there.
Oh.
So we want all that yeast in there.
It's funny say.
Sorry, that was an audio drop. So as you can see, I'm getting ready to stir the yeast in the cylinder to get ready to pour it in the bottle that has the 12% hydrogen peroxide, shampoo, and dish detergent combined together.
Yeah, you're not really stirring it that good though. I think Mariah stirred better than you.
Yeah, she did. I ain't gonna lie, she
She's
did.
a master stirrer. But she's like, man, I should did that. Look at her face.
Yeah. So you can see that we get an instant reaction from the yeast, and there's more elephant toothpaste forming with this combination.
Oh, wait. Look.
Wow.
We're doing the sound effects for the kids. Aww. Look at Ryan. Yes, cool. Amazing. Wow. Alright, that was Good Time with the Goodmans. My name is Baron.
Awaya, Nawa.
And Rakita.
And we'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe on YouTube, Instagram, and on Facebook. We got more experiments in the future that's coming. More videos as well. It's only for the top from here, so I'm going to keep on grinding for you guys. Bring you new material weekly. And that's about it. Right. So we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Good time with the Goodmans. Thumbs up, guys.
Awesome.
Awesome. All right.